Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and we are in Ahrax of Melllieha, exactly at the tal-Madonna, which means Holy Mary Cliffs. Here is very rugged, as you can see, and it's amazing with the statue of the Madonna there, and there is the Chapel of Immaculate Conception. We have a very beautiful sunrise here. The cliffs on there are very nice view, but we're going to visit from here to Crystal Lagoon. Here at the Dome of Madonna there is this statue. It's like an icon here because it's very photographed here. From here you can see the sunrise and how beautiful it is, and from here you can see there is salmon on the other side. And now let's go to visit the chapel. As I told you, the chapel of the Immaculate Conception is open 24 hours, so anybody can come here and visit. So let's check. Look, it's open day and night. This it's a very small chapel, and when we come camping here, we always visit here at night as well. Very nice, eh? It's a small but beautiful chapel. See, with candles. Oh no, let's continue our trek. Close the door. They changed the door. How beautiful it is. Very well kept. And now from this chapel we start our trek. We're going to be walking with the edge of the cliff, because here there will be very nice views. The sun is still coming up because it's 6 a.m. today. See, many parts of the cliff are giving way. It's flaking off, and while we're moving I will start showing you some places where there are big cracks in the rock, as if it's falling off. This walk, it will be good for all the family, no problems here. Something very intriguing here. Look, anybody knows if there was a structure or something here? I don't have any idea. Look at this wall, how long it was. And it's not a tiny rubble wall. Look, it's straight, square. There must have been something here. You see how long it is, and we're still moving with it. Maybe there was some kind of fortifications here. There you can see the goes of fast ferry. But look at the color of the sea. How beautiful it is. And when the sun goes up a little bit more, you can see it a little bit better. Here one can see what I was telling you before, that here the cliffs are crumbling. Look at those cracks here. And this part with storms and everything will fall off as well. But now it's better we continue on more solid ground. As I was telling you before, look, the cliffs here are all crumbling down. Look at those chunks here. Everywhere, and if you see that all that part gave way with all its vegetation. You see how nice it is, with all the trees and everything. These are giant cracks. This is what I was telling you before, that they start this like cracks, and then whole cliff will give way. So take great care, and especially take care coming here not to fall in these crevices as well. It can be very dangerous. Look how big these cracks are. You see? It's a big chunk of the cliff. We're still moving around with one of the cracks. Because here, look how much rock there is. Here one can find those turquoise colored sea here. And take care, people going into edges of cliffs. I don't know if you can see this part, but let me show you. That is like an outcrop. It goes out with little rock under. If you step on top, it can easily give way and you fall down. And look how dangerous this part is. Me, I'm attracted by cliffs, sea and caves. Look how beautiful this landscape is. Full of birds, even in the sky, this turquoise sea. And everywhere you look here, it's this is a flat part. There is no trees or nothing. It's bare rock, as you find near many coast, Malta. And this is called Ahrax of Mellieha. That I think it will translate to rugged terrain in Melllieha. How beautiful it is here. It's nice. Yeah? And the color of the sea. Oh nice, there's like an arch there. It's amazing, even the color of the sun. There's a cave down there as well. I'm trying to take care not to go too much at the edge, because it can be dangerous. But one cannot come and have a look here. Look how beautiful it is. And the sea, the turquoise, it's amazing. This is the kind of terrain you will walk on. It's nothing big, but it's not like walking on soil or straight, smooth tracks. But it's very... Here is a natural archer. The sun is coming up strong, and I start considering to change to a t-shirt again. And we are getting near our destination. And now I am on top of the Taj that I showed you before. Look how beautiful this area is. There's a cave down here in this turquoise sea. Amazing, yeah. And here, look at the color of this sea. It's amazing, turquoise. When vlogging, changing clothes from long sleeve to t-shirt can be very easy, and I can show you how. You put your hand up and you do like this. Hops! Yeah? That's fast. And it's better, because it's getting very hot. The sun is coming out. And I'm enjoying this beautiful day. Here one can see another beautiful part of those cliffs here. And what makes them so spectacular is that they are crumbling down and forming these landscapes here. It's amazing. And coming so early, the light is perfect on the side of the cliffs. In the foreground one can see the beautiful view of Comino. Here more cliffs. They are beautiful here. Let's walk a little bit at the edge of the cliff, like this. And here you can see the other part. And something else I want to show you on this side. If you look from here, with this GoPro you cannot see, but inside this cave, on top, there are ropes. Maybe they do rock climbing here as well. How beautiful this area is. Today I made a small mistake. I should have brought the shorts with me, because now It's getting very hot. This part to walk, you have to jump from one point to the other because it's all spikes, so it's not comfortable to walk here. Now the cliff started getting lower to the sea. It's still a little bit higher, but not as high as we were before. And something else that caught my eye here. Remember, you have to take care walking here. One can easily fall. There in Zammit id-dillu limit for 98, not so far. Tahir is 19 years old. What a pity, such young. This one must have been part of his photograph here. It's a pity, I think with the here is very rough, so everything is destroyed. Look, it's a pity. After walking on those, it's like they are blades, like knife blades to walk in. It's very hard here, and you have to keep an eye not to fall. But then here we arrived at our nearly last destination. That cave there is to Crystal Lagoon, and here we have to go around here to go on top, because with the kayak you can go from there. Today we have to walk from top. Look how difficult the rock here it is, and if you fall 99.9% you will get injured, because you have to jump from one point to the other. But if you take care and concentrate till now, and hopefully you can continue this way, I didn't fall. My target is, if I don't meet my shadow, I'm safe. Because if I meet my shadow, it means I'm on the ground. Up there is Torre Labiat, which is the White Tower. There's a bay that we will finish up there. And here we have start looking for the Crystal Lagoon. From top you cannot see it, so you have to make way to the point. Continue moving this way until you find this big hole. You cannot miss it, but you cannot see it from here. Since there is this sign here, 99% we have found Crystal Lagoon. Yes, we found it. Lagoon. Here is the entrance to this lagoon, and on this side there's a cave. You can go with your kayak. There is the entrance to Crystal Lagoon. It's very big, You can see there's a man passing there. You can see how big it is. Look how beautiful this area is. This is very close to Crystal Lagoon. Coming in front, we have White Tower here, and this is called Malta campsite. And there's a small bay here. So now this will mark the end of our vlog. Well, from this beautiful view here of the White Tower, here comes the end of this vlog. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and if you know anything about this place, please comment below. Until next time, bye bye.